So, joined here with Colin Birchall from Smart Technologies. Good to see you, Col. Thanks for
Thank,
joining us and thanks for your support.
Kit, thanks for inviting us to this amazing event. It's been brilliant today. We've really had a blast here meeting all your end users and stuff like that. So thanks for
Yeah.
bringing us in.
Yeah, well, the invite was never in doubt. I'll tell you that. I'll tell you that. Okay, so everyone's probably aware of what the smart board is. It's
Yeah,
synonymous with the interactive display sector.
yeah.
Are you able to give us a bit of a brief overview of smart, what the sort of things that you guys are doing, and kind of some
Yeah,
of your key differentiators
yeah.
as well
I think
as a brand?
everyone, Smart's a global brand. Everyone knows who we are. I think what people don't know is we're a business brand as well. We actually make business solutions. We make meeting room solutions. So what we're here today, we're showing our sort of latest and greatest technology, which is the Smart QX Pro, which is our first business dedicated interactive display. So there's as you know, we've always done education ones, but this is our first business one. And what makes it a bit of a key differentiator, a couple of things I can share with you. Firstly, we've got the microphone array built into our frame now, and that's got about a decent range on it in terms of large to medium to large meeting rooms, which is great. We've got our camera that's built in. We've got a 4K HD camera that does people framing, so it does a lot of the things that people want in terms of being able to feel natural in front of the camera. The other thing I would really say to anyone watching out there right now is that we are also one of the first interactive displays on the market that is Crestron approved. That's really important for enterprise customers right now. You go into a big enterprise and they've got a big meeting room. They want to be able to connect our displays. Well, we're the only ones with that Crestron approval, and Crestron are sort of number one in the market for that. So I'd say they're sort of our key differentiators. The one other thing I'd say, we've been showing a lot of people today, a lot of your end users have come in, been joined seeing Teamworks, which is our all-in-one meeting room solution.
I was going to say that obviously we've got Teams rooms and Zoom rooms and stuff like that set
Yeah.
up, but actually the thing that I've kind of seen out of a lot of the customers who we've had to attend today is that they don't want to be locked down to one platform. They want the flexibility
Yeah.
but they still want the one touch to join experience.
Yeah.
They don't necessarily want to plug their laptop in. They just want that all-in-one,
Yeah.
easy to use solution.
We're platform agnostic, Kit. So
Yeah.
we work with Zoom, work with Google Meet, Teams. We work with all the big brands out there, and you can see ready right now. We've got your anniversary wrap-up party here,
Yeah.
ready to start that on Zoom. But one touch, yeah, we are one touch. One touch for Teams, Google Meet. We can schedule calls, we can launch calls, and the other thing we can do, we can actually transfer credentials from our mobile device to the display. And what we can do is come in and actually launch meetings from our phone. So
Wow.
if I've not scheduled a call to here, but I've got calls in my diary, I can use the interactive technology, I can use the camera, I can use the mics. So that's what we feel is a big differentiator between us and our competitors.
Yeah, because I suppose the difficulty is in a lot of businesses it's the training,
Yeah.
and being able to make people aware. Right, you need to invite the room, you need to do it a certain way.
Yeah.
Whereas you've got the QR code there.
Yeah, you can come in. The appointments are on my diary there. I can just come in, launch a call, and I'm ready to
And
go.
obviously you've got the workspace, and
It's that simple. I mean, yeah, absolutely. It's all there as well. So we can lock down what apps you can use in the room. You've also got the feature of being able to run workspace as well, which is our whiteboarding application. And again, the whiteboarding side of it works very, very simple. I just walk up, write on the board if I wanted to. Plus, with it being a smart product, we actually have some sophistication in there in terms of using more complex documents, if you like. So if I was to go into my resources here, I can go to here, go through a PDF, pull in the PDF, bring it front and center for our audience, annotate over each page, and you'll see the annotation stays with the page as we go through. And basically, we feel that's another big innovation with our display as well.
That's one thing that I've noticed since obviously this board is only a couple of weeks old, isn't it now?
Yeah, yeah.
But I've noticed that the pens and the writing experience is
Yeah,
really, really, really good.
This is one of our first boards where we can lean our hand on the screen and write on the screen.
Yeah.
But if I write really thick, or for really light.
Right.
It's got that pressure sensitive ink in there as well.
Yeah. So it's not just a new camera.
No, there's so much going on with this. It's we've got the 40 points touch, we've got 40 watts of audio, so it's ideal for those meeting room environments. And just to boost that up, we've got a 15 watt subwoofer in there as well, so it's got some great sound in there. We've got great sound capture through the mic, and obviously we've got the camera there as well.
That's great. Well, thanks for joining us today, Col, again. Thanks for running us through the new Smart QX Pro.
Yeah. Thanks, Kit. Thanks very much for inviting us. And can I just say, if you're interested, visit smarttech.com, where we've got all our products on display.
Or Rapid Technologies.
Or Rapid Technologies. Or rapid.co.uk.
Yeah. Cheers. Thank you.